Hello, first grade. This is Miss Kelly here for your math work today on Monday, April 20th. Miss Finney is going to be doing literacy work this week, and Miss Kelly gets to do your math work with you. And I am so beyond excited because today we are going to be able to practice counting by ones, by fives, and by tens. And we're going to count from the number 0 all the way to 120. We're going to be practicing a little bit of what you learned last week with Miss Finney, but we want to get started practicing today and keeping our brains as sharp as they can be so we're ready for second grade. It's really important today that you are trying your best and practicing with Miss Kelly all the way. Okay, what I need for you to do right now is get out a sheet of paper and get a pencil or a pen or something to write with. I'm going to pretend like my computer screen is my piece of paper. So I'm going to pretend like this is my piece of paper and I'm drawing along with you guys. We want to start by counting to 120 by ones. And we're going to count as we draw circles to help us keep track. So while Miss Kelly's counting, you should be practicing as well. Are you ready? Get your pencil in your hand. Let's get ready to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, I'm going to pause here at the number 10 because I know 10 is my magic number. And I want to keep my paper really organized. So after 10, I'm going to stop and start a new row at the bottom and keep going. Keep drawing with me. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Okay, I ran out of room on the bottom of my page, so I'm going to keep going at the top over here. Remember, we don't say the word and, so it's going to be 100, 1, 100, 2, 100, 3. But you don't hear the word and. Make sure you're counting correctly. Let's keep going. We started at 100 here. We're going to keep going on. 100, 1, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Whew, pat yourselves on the back. You guys did an awesome job counting by ones, starting from 1 all the way to 120. Now, we organized our rows into groups of 10. That's going to help us be able to practice counting by tens to 120. I know each row is a group of 10, so I'm going to count by tens all the way to 120. Miss Kelly will do it with you, and then you're going to practice on your own. Okay, here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Okay, Miss Kelly showed you once and practiced with you. Now it's your turn. I'll move my arrow. You count by tens all the way to 120. Here we go. 10. 120. Great job. Okay, so we've now counted by ones to 120. We've counted by tens to 120. What do you think we're going to count by next? You're right, by fives. Miss Kelly already organized her drawing into groups of 5 to help you able to see it better. You don't need to do this on your paper. Right now, I just want you to practice with Miss Kelly. Again, I'm going to show you how to do it once, and then I'm going to pause the video so that you can practice, okay? Here we go. By fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120. All right, Miss Kelly showed you once. Now I'm going to move my arrow. You follow along and it's your turn to practice. Here we go. 5, 10, 105, 110, 120. Amazing job, first grade. We did just like we said we were going to do. We practiced counting by ones, by fives, and by tens. Now, what I want you to do for your turn today, there's a couple different options. A, if you can, I want you to find 120 objects to practice counting. This could be something like grains of rice, coins in your piggy bank, leaves on the trees outside, as long as you can find and practice counting to 120. If you don't think there's any way you could find that many things to count, then you can draw 120 objects. But I want it to be something different than the circles we practiced earlier. You can do something like smiley faces. You're going to draw 120 stars, something like that. That's what you're going to take a picture of to send to Miss Kelly or Miss Finney today for your math work. Remember, if you need practice, you can always go back in the video and practice some more with Miss Kelly. I can't wait to see this work.